Back at Gore Road motocross track here today. It's hoping for some nicer weather. There's some out there in the distance, but it's starting to pour out right now. Just brought the kids' bikes today. 2 of them down there. Gonna have a couple hours of fun. Left my bike at home today, just trying out the new Canon R50 camera. Just have the kit lens, so it's not going to be the best quality, but it's ready now. So let's get inside the truck before it gets too wet. All right, rain's died off there, so let's get these bikes fired up. Get the kids on the bikes. You excited to ride, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Girls almost ready?
Daddy, I don't want my gum when I'm riding because it might get on the helmet.
Yeah, you don't want gum in your helmet, do you?
That's why I
Spit it out. Spit it out in the grass, okay?
That's why I spit it out at the house because I didn't want to get it in the helmet. But it also makes me fall down a little.
Your gum makes you fall down?
Yeah.
Really?
Too much. Just after on my gum.
Wow. Okay, Natalie, you ready to ride? Yeah? I think Nathan's excited, so you girls better get out and have your turn first, okay?
Okay.
All right, jump down.
I wasn't scared. Daddy, can you help me get my helmet on?
Sure. Goggles on or off?
What? Off.
Off, yep. There you go. Yeah. I think Natalie's waiting for Olivia over there. Oh, Natalie fell down. Okay, let's run over and go get her, okay? Okay, you stay there, okay?
1 second. Wow. Show me how strong you are. Show me how strong you are.
I am.
Do some curls, lift it up and down.
Okay, you all ready, bud? Okay, don't go too fast, right? Okay, go that way. Oh, you almost went out. Alright, off your bike for a little bit. You've been out there for like almost an hour straight. Probably got like 100 laps in there.
100.
I think so, yeah. You've been doing really good though, eh?
No falls.
No falls, you've been getting a lot of big jumps.
And a few cats.
A few what?
I've been catching myself.
Oh, a few catches, yeah. You've been close to flying, but you've always caught yourself. Bike run good? Yeah. Pretty fast out there today. What's up, kids? I don't know where your other shoe is. You two kids are a big waste of money today. Nah, that's a real dickhead move. You think they're racing? Maybe. You want to go on the big track? Oh, that's just the gate, where the gate drops to where you start the race from. Okay. I really wish I brought my dirt bike today because you two aren't riding.
I want to sit on them. But I could do it on yours. Now we need help. Yeah.
Fire up. Wow.
Daddy, I pressed this.
That's a shifter.
I thought that was how we started.
Okay, do you have it on or off? Yeah, it's on. It was on run. Try giving it the gas. Twist the throttle when you're starting it. Okay, instead of trying to kick it down, just put your foot on it and then jump on and put all your weight on it. Yeah, like that. Need help?
No. If I can do it now, if I can do it.
Whoa! Where are you sending it off to?
See, that's what happens. If I
As soon as it starts going, it's let off.
Look at the cake.
Yep. Down again. Which leg hurts? You hurt your leg, buddy? You hurt your leg? Okay. Well, you're doing really good. You don't want to do it again? Okay, you know what? I need you to finish going around the track and then we can go park it by the truck, okay? Because I don't have a helmet on and neither does anyone else.
You could put on
Nope.
his helmet.
It doesn't fit my head. Okay. Hop on there, buddy. Whoa. Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah.
It's so small. What color is it?
Orange.
Red.